Alright, guys, just give me 1 sec.
I'm finna be on.
Pretty sure you should be able to see me. But,
But
oh my god. I just found a website where you can get a Lamborghini hoverboard, Bluetooth, Lamborghini hoverboard, LED, you know, smart self-balancing scooter, Lamborghini version for only $250. Usually those things go for around $350 to $450. I found one for $250. And this website is Trifecta Deals. That's what it is. You can get that hoverboard. It's so amazing. You can get a Lamborghini hoverboard, black and red, for $250. You can get a normal hoverboard from $150 to $200. That is like really cheap. And I just got so amazed when I found this. Now, like the newest hoverboard, but one of the newest hoverboards is called Swagtron. You know, Swagways. Now Swagway, the website, has created Swagtron hoverboard. It's a really nice hoverboard. That thing's $500. So, yeah, but I found a Lamborghini red and black hoverboard for $250. That thing's Bluetooth, it has speakers on it. Well, it has 6.5-inch tires, not 8. But, yeah, so that thing has Bluetooth and, like, yeah, you can hook your phone up to it and have music. Pretty sure it comes with keys, but I'm probably going to order one pretty darn soon. And then I'll make a video of me opening it and like a review. So, yeah, but this video might be very bad quality, but soon I'm going to get a phone.
I was 5 or 6 years old when I had told myself, okay, you're special, but I treat you like my equal, never lesson. I was 26 years old when we had dropped this one amazing record. Had the world stepping. That's what I call epic. $250 later, I got paper. I acquired taste for salmon on a bagel with the capers on a square plate. At the restaurant with the why you got a stare face to know I either ball or I record over the screen.
So yeah, you can get a normal hoverboard for $200. You can get this Lamborghini hoverboard. It has Bluetooth too. For $250. But the one that was $200, I'm not really sure that one was like a Bluetooth normal hoverboard or not. But if it was, that's a great price. If it wasn't, I don't get why it only be $50 less. But dude, the Lamborghini hoverboard. I mean, it doesn't come with the lights on the side. Not the other. It doesn't come with like the lights that you can just turn on and change colors. It doesn't come with that, but those don't really even matter. The only thing that matters is that it's so cheap. Well, I just feel like I really had to share it with you guys. And make sure you guys look this up and see if you can get one for yourself. And I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, of course, I say this in every video. I feel like it annoys me. Okay, yeah, it does kind of annoy me sometimes. I really can't edit music into that, so I just did it with my voice. But yeah, go to this website, like this video if you liked it, and just maybe, just a little maybe. If you haven't seen my face before, you should go hit that red subscribe button. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you give it a like. And remember, red subscribe button. So, see you guys. Hope you liked it. Bye-bye. Sorry, guys.